Ashutosh could get arrested today. This, of course, in connection with the protests at the BJP headquarters here in the national capital last evening on Wednesday. These are the shots. You can see the entire police bandobast there outside. We also should remember that 14 of the AAP leaders who've been detained, they need to be produced in Patiala court today. But these are shots that we're getting you in a build-up to perhaps AAP leader Ashutosh's arrest as well in connection with those protests. Well, we must understand that both not just Ashutosh, also another AAP leader, Shazia Ilmi, who was also seen in part of those protests there, is expected to be arrested. Our correspondent Priyank Tripathi to get us more inputs. Priyank, in a build-up to that time when we're expecting 14 of the AAP workers who were detained to be produced at the Patiala court, we're also seeing these developments of Ashutosh getting arrested by the Delhi police in connection with those protests.
Yeah, definitely. The Delhi police has made its move. We have spoken to senior officials 2 hours back. They said that definitely they are going to do arresting of Aam Aadmi Party leader Ashutosh in this case, because Ashutosh was the face of this protest. The report which the Delhi police has submitted to the Delhi Election Commission clearly states that Ashutosh was the one who instigated the fight with the BJP workers, and from Aam Aadmi Party supporters, stone pelting started. I would like to show you the ground visuals where you can easily see that the Delhi police deployment at this Aam Aadmi Party office of Model Town has been briefed up. The senior officials of the district are also here. SHO of Model Town has also reached here. Although we know that another district police, which is New Delhi district police officials, are on their way to come to this location, because the jurisdiction of that particular protest was in New Delhi. So definitely, if Ashutosh is being arrested by the Delhi police, he has to be arrested by the district police officers. Ashutosh, just a while back when he spoke exclusively to NewsX, he said that I'm waiting here, I'm not going to go anywhere. If Delhi police wants to arrest me, he can, they can come here, and I'll offer my surrender to them. I would like to show you, this is the scene right here at our office. Although Aam Aadmi Party supporters are saying that they won't allow the Delhi police to do arresting of the senior leader and the contestant of Chandni Chowk area from Aam Aadmi Party for the Lok Sabha elections, Ashutosh, in this case. But Ashutosh was clearly determined. He said that I'm not going to go anywhere since this total FIR is a political move. It is totally political influence. This is what he was trying to say. So I'm not going to, I won't be hesitating from any kind of inquiry. If you remember yesterday also, when Arvind Kejriwal was stopped by Gujarat police, Aam Aadmi Party leaders came out and they said that it was a political one. And in this FIR also, when visually it's pretty much visible that our protesters did do stone pelting. Again, they are saying that it is totally politically motivated.
With the supporters, with the Aam Aadmi Party supporters, they're crowding the area, as we can see from the visuals that you're sending us. What step are we expecting the Aam Aadmi Party workers to take once Delhi police goes ahead with arresting Ashutosh?
See, definitely the supporters are saying that they will protest. They won't allow the Delhi police to do arresting of Aam Aadmi Party leader Ashutosh. Ashutosh is a very senior leader of Aam Aadmi Party. But at the same time, Delhi police have also, increased the number of security personnel. The local intelligence unit have taken the stock of the situation. They know that around 100 Aam Aadmi Party supporters are right now outside this office. So accordingly, if you see, the number of policemen has been increased by the Delhi police, which clearly shows that the police is also prepared for any kind of clashes with the Aam Aadmi Party supporters right here in Model Town. Although the team which left from New Delhi district hasn't reached yet to Model Town police station, because if arresting will happen, definitely that team is only able to do arresting of Ashutosh. There are 2 possibilities still left in this case. One, the police can give notice to Ashutosh, and the police can say that please join investigation in such and such case. But since the police have already arrested 14 of the accused, then definitely they're left with no option.
All right,
They will
stay
have to
with
arrest
us.
Ashutosh.
Certainly, Priyank, stay with us. There's some more inputs that we're getting with respect to Shazia Ilmi's arrest. What we're being told is that the Delhi police personnel have already arrived at the house of the AAP leader Shazia Ilmi, which is in South Delhi. We're expecting her to be arrested as well. Delhi police has been maintaining all along that both these leaders, the prominent leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, both Shazia Ilmi as well as Ashutosh, would be arrested today. This, of course, is along expected lines. We must understand already 14 AAP workers were detained by the Delhi police last evening in a build-up to those clashes between the AAP and BJP workers in the national capital outside the Delhi BJP headquarters there. But developments that are taking place this minute, the police has arrived at the AAP office in Model Town for arresting Ashutosh. The police has also arrived at AAP leader Shazia Ilmi's residence in South Delhi. Our correspondent Priyank Tripathi with more updates. Priyank, also take us through the developments there outside Shazia Ilmi's residence.
See, I would like to tell you there are three things which is happening in the national capital. One, Delhi police personnel have reached outside Shazia Ilmi's residence. Probably they can give her notice, or they can do arresting of Shazia Ilmi in this particular case. On the other side, all those 14 accused who were arrested earlier yesterday evening by the Delhi police officials have been brought to Patiala House Court right now. And Prashant Bhushan was also, seen in Patiala House Court. But Somnath Bhati, who is an AAP MLA and who's an advocate by profession, is, will be defending these 14 people who have been arrested so far. On the other side, where I am standing at Model Town Police Station, Delhi Police has increased the number of police personnel. They know that any point of time they are expecting that our protesters might try to, stop their proceeding. They might, they are expecting that it is very much possible that clashes can happen right here in the outside the office of Aam Aadmi Party. So on all stand, Delhi police has made their stand, but Aam Aadmi Party supporters are telling us that they won't allow the police to take police custody of Ashutosh, or they won't allow police officials to go inside and do arresting of Ashutosh. But we have to look at that point also, because in the morning Ashutosh said that he will not hesitate to give his arresting to the Delhi police officials. So it is very much possible also that Ashutosh can come out of this office and he can say that I'm ready for the arrest, and he can again brief media saying that
it's interesting how both leaders are maintaining that they're ready to surrender to police, ready to be arrested, but the AAP workers have been insisting they're not going to allow their leaders, both Ashutosh and Shazia Ilmi, to be arrested. Could we be seeing a clash in the coming few minutes between the AAP workers and the Delhi police yet again? That, of course, we still need to see. Stay with us, Priyank. There's some more developments that are coming in. With news that's breaking this minute, the Delhi police has already submitted its report now to the Delhi Election Commission. And here's what is stated in that report. The Delhi police clearly says that AAP did not seek permission for protesting, and AAP protesters also misbehaved with the police, and several police persons were injured. These are the findings of the report that has been submitted. Permission for protesting, and AAP protesters also misbehaved with the police, and several police persons were injured. These are the findings of the report that has been submitted by the Delhi police to the Delhi Election Commission. Our correspondent Priyank Tripathi is still with us. Priyank, more updates that are coming in. We must understand the EC also has sent a notice to AAP. Essentially, it seems all action here, as far as we've seen, all action really being taken against the Aam Aadmi Party, really, and no action perhaps for the BJP workers there to have reacted violently perhaps in those clashes as well.
Yeah, definitely. See, we have to understand this thing that how this, clashes started, and how suddenly Aam Aadmi Party, which is known for its, different style of protest, which is known for its protest on the street, is totally being cornered by the Election Commission also. Yesterday, when Model Code of Conduct was announced after the Election Commission PC, Arvind Kejriwal was first stopped in Gujarat because his cavalcade had more than 10 vehicles, and the local police had to stop him. he was detained and later on he was released. Aam Aadmi Party tried to take political mileage of this situation, and they came out in openly in media quoting that this is totally politically motivated, and because of Narendra Modi, Arvind Kejriwal's cavalcade was stopped in Gujarat. But there were, sudden repercussions in the national capital as well. Those leaders like Ashutosh and Shazia Elmi came before the BJP office without taking prior permission from the Delhi police, without knowing this fact that at this time period when model code of conduct has been implemented, they have to take permission from the election commission, they have to take permission for the local police for any kind of protest. After that, since there is governance rule in the national capital in Delhi, so definitely Delhi police doesn't, there is no chance about it that the central government will be on back foot by any chance, because earlier Sheila Dikshit's government was there in Delhi, and because of that the central government was backing on many instances. But right now they are free, they are taking every single legal option to nail Aam Aadmi Party, and this is what is happening at this time period. But very soon we are expecting
exactly.
the
Stay with us, Priyank. It seems the Aam Aadmi Party, they're continuing to face the heat of their actions last evening. Yet more breaking news that's coming in. Here's what the Delhi Election Commission has done. It has gone ahead. It has issued a notice to the Aam Aadmi Party for a violation of the Model Code of Conduct, also for not having taken permission for last evening's protest march. More breaking news yet again. Not just the Delhi police, which has already submitted its report to the Delhi Election Commission slamming Aam Aadmi Party. It's the Delhi Election Commission which has also gone ahead and sent a notice to the Aam Aadmi Party along the same line, saying that there's been a violation of the Model Code of Conduct. They did not take permission for yesterday's protest march. Our correspondent Priyank Tripathi is still with us, who's in fact continuing to get us more updates on those multiple developments. Essentially, Priyank, as you were saying, multiple developments taking place with respect to this clash last evening, but essentially all action, it seems, is being taken against the Aam Aadmi Party.
Because definitely it has to be taken because they didn't follow the law. Every time in our local circuit, we always talk about it that Aam Aadmi Party leaders don't need any kind of protest. Whenever they want to protest, they talk about fundamental right and they go out and protest. But during the time of election, when Model Code of Conduct has been implemented, it's almost like 144. You have to take permission from the election commission. You have to take permission from the local police before proceeding for any rally, before holding any rally.
Right. Priyank, are there any lessons learned by the Aam Aadmi Party from last evening's clash, where you've clearly said that in a build-up, in a few minutes, in a build-up, in fact, to Ashutosh and Shazia Elmi's arrest, Ashutosh from outside at Model Town, Shazia Elmi's arrest from her residence, we see a group of Aam Aadmi Party workers there in both locations, ready to protest against that arrest, ready perhaps once again to clash with the Delhi police. So it seems that as far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, as far as violation of the Model Code of Conduct is concerned, after it got set in with the dates of the election schedule being announced, there are no lessons learned really as far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned.
See, definitely, this is the typical style of politics of Aam Aadmi Party. We have seen this in the past as well. We know that Aam Aadmi Party, has always tried to take political mileage of any kind of protest which has happened in Delhi. This time also, they were thinking that they will, extract some juice out of the, detention of Arvind Kejriwal, but they have failed miserably. Now they have landed up, with the arresting of 14 Aam Aadmi supporters who has been produced in Patiala House Court. They are still expecting that two senior leaders of Aam Aadmi Party will be arrested by the Delhi police. So there, it was a very strong, political move by the Aam Aadmi Party, because till now they have been blaming, the ruling government of the state because they were not ruling for only 49 days. Aam Aadmi Party was ruling in the national capital, which is Delhi. But now everything is under election commission. If they may say with the election commission, things gonna be very difficult for them, because the election commission has already asked asked the Aam Aadmi Party to prove its stand, to clear its stand that what is their actual motive, how they are going to proceed before the election of 2014. So Aam Aadmi Party will have to give in Britain that what is their state of mind, what is the procedure which they are going to opt in election in different areas. If they will start protesting like this, definitely things will be difficult for the election commission, and there's no doubt about it that by becoming under pressure, the election commission will have to take strong action against the party. It is very much possible that the candidature of or the contestant of many candidates can also be cancelled if the situation goes like this. So definitely the party members are telling us that till the time Arvind Kejriwal comes back to Delhi, they won't be able to come to any kind of conclusion that how they will be proceeding for the election 2014. If you see today's scenario, Shazia Almi is about to be arrested. 14 people have been arrested who will be produced before the court. And right here in Model Town, we are expecting that Ashutosh can also be arrested. And Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodiya, the two key members, according to insiders, their word is the final word in the party, although they try to take opinion from the party cadres. But Arvind and Manish, who are the two crucial members of the party, are right now not here in the national capital, which is definitely going to affect the stand of the party, because everyone is taking their own stand. Shazia Almi came out and she said that Ashutosh instigated the fight.
Stay with us. Get us some more inputs. Stay with us, though. Once again, we're going to play in those reactions, of course, which have come in from the other party, the BJP. Let's take a listen on what they've been maintaining as far as these clashes between the two parties is concerned. Take a listen in.
चुनाव आयोग ने आश्वासन दिया है और कहा है कि हम इस मान्यता को खत्म करने का भी एक प्रावधान है, उसके बारे में भी हमने कहा है। उसके अलावा और भी जो कानून के तहत कार्रवाई है उसके बारे में भी कहा है। चुनाव आयोग ने कहा है कि इस तरह के किसी भी गैर कानूनी चुनाव को बाधित करने वाले, वायलेंस करने वाले किसी भी हरकत को बर्दाश्त नहीं किया जाएगा, चाहे किसी भी स्तर पे हो। और चुनाव आयोग ने कहा है कि हम इस पर तत्काल कड़ी कार्रवाई करेंगे। दिल्ली में
पहली बार इलेक्शन कमीशन के सामने हमने इस बात को आज इसलिए रखा है क्योंकि कल के इलेक्शंस की घोषणा होने के बाद उनके देश में विभिन्न स्थानों पर किए गए व्यवहार से ये तय हो गया है कि आम आदमी पार्टी केवल भारत के अंदर लोकतांत्रिक व्यवस्थाओं का अपमान करने के लिए, अराजकता फैलाने के लिए, संविधान का और कानून का अपमान करने के लिए और देश को सारी दुनिया की नजर के अंदर बेइज्जत करने के लिए ये सारी चीजें एक रणनीति के तहत कर रही है।